What's up, Spike Nation? I see the AI has taken the streets by storm, so today I'm going to make a video giving you some tips and tricks on how to use the AI. Tip number one, when using the AI, you want to use descriptive math language. You don't really want to type out in full sentences. So what this is going to look like when you're typing in AI using Spikeet, I can show you. So this is an example. I am pulling data on Tesla. As you see, this is very descriptive. These are my filters. I'm letting the AI know. I'm looking at Tesla from this time length. This is all in the filter section. It can interpret this. And then I'm doing columns, open, high, low, close. I'm telling I want the high of day and I want the low of day. We don't even need that. I'm not really typing things out in these long sentence structures. I'm giving it very direct things that relate to the language on the platform that's more math descriptive. And this is the general way you want to go about it. So now that our scan is complete, we can head right over here to data, hit open data. Okay, so we have the symbol, the date, the market cap, the open price today, high price today, low price today, close price today, volume today, and time of high of day and time of low of day. So as you can see, we got everything we wanted for 2020, a full year's length on Tesla, getting all the criteria we wanted, and all we have to do was simply just ask. Tip number two, you can edit your filters or you can edit your columns by simply clicking edit wherever the scan request popped up. So this is the scan request I just made with AI. If I go over here and hit edit, I can now go in here and edit my filters and edit my columns to make a more refined scan. So let's say if something was wrong in here, or let's say I wanted to recreate something. Like, okay, I have the low of day, but I want the close of day. And let's say I asked for it and AI didn't give it to me. Now I can just come in here and hit close, or maybe I want it unadjusted, then I can put unadjusted. So you can edit your filters more precise with the AI. So you can get a quick start with the AI and then do a more refined scan by actually doing it the old manual way. Tip number three, use the AI to create visual scans. I think this tip is so slept on. You can use the AI without coding or anything special. Just ask it to create a scan that is going to give you whatever visual conditions you want to look at and study for whatever historical period you want, or you can even do it on the day. Say if you want to see which stocks is breaking the yearly high, you can literally ask the AI and it will give you all the charts for that's happening for that day. So let's take this example. Filters gap above 20%, January 2015 to January 2016, market cap less than 20 million. So you see, I didn't even put the columns in, and now I can go over here to my charts, and you see I have all these charts showing these gappers that I can then study. I can move it to the right to see how the chart looks, to see what I'm looking at, to see the gaps. And you can do a quick visual study just like this. I think it's really powerful for discretionary traders who's trying to study and they need to pull manually hundreds of different tickers and go through all this. And then you can do it right here. And you can also just export all the charts. Just download all charts. So we'll be wrapping this video up with our tip 4, our final tip, which is you can only use the custom formulas and custom functions actually inputted in the Spikeet platform when you're using AI. So what does this mean? So when we go over to edit and we go to edit filters, when you go down here to build your own words, you have all these different custom formulas already pre-programmed into our system. These you can reference. If you try something like ADR, right? ADR does not pop up. So do not type in ADR into the Spikeet's AI scan and think you're going to get ADR. But if you type in something like daily volume, daily dollar volume, right? You can use this, but you want to be very specific about how you input it. So you're going to want to put it in the same way that it pops up. and that will get you those results. So we're back here at the AI. You can see I typed in filters, Tesla 9/18/2023, columns, dollar, vol, daily, exact same input that we had from earlier. And when I go to open data, you can see I have the dollar volume daily for today, which is 9/18/2023, and they still give you the market cap. But with that wrapped up, I'll see you guys in the next one. Spikeet, the one-stop shop to edge.